Hello everyone, this is Kritika. Today I'm here to explain how to join in a Google Classroom, and also I'm going to tell you how to submit your assignments in the Google Classroom. First, you will get a message from your class teacher, class invitation. Just click on this. You will get the mail will be open, and you will see this screen. Okay, just click on join. That after that you can see a communication from your teacher if already exist. Okay, that's all. Just you joined by clicking join button. You are joined in the Google Classroom. Okay, next we are going to see how to submit your assignments. Whenever the class teacher or subject teacher assigning a assignment to you, you will get the message from the Google Classroom. Okay, click on that. You will get the notification that in which subject you are getting this assignment. Okay, just click. Okay, now you can see the class teacher's name and subject name is there, and the last date of submitting your assignment will be displayed here. Due May 25th 5 p.m. Okay, the marks which is assigned to your assignment is maximum marks is 50 points. Now you are going to submit your assignment by using this area. Just add or create. If you are already done if it's so, you can attach your file here. No, if you are going to do direct from this page, now you can have this. Okay, select this new. Already if you are having a file, now just attach your file. If you are going to do it new document, means if it is a document, you can select here. If it is a slide, you can select here sheets and drawings. Now you are going to select documents. Okay, just click on it. Just like Word document, it will open. Here you can type it. Okay, here you can type it something, whatever you are doing, you can type it here. And for submitting purpose, you can use this button, turn in. Okay, if you want to make a copy of that, you have to go to file and download options are there. And if you want to publish to the web, that option we won't go. Make a copy, it gives a PDF format. Okay, print, if you want to take print, you can use this option. Okay, type the whatever the document you are going to submit, type it and click turn in. Turn in your work. Yes, turn in. If you give turn in again, automatically your document will be submitted to your class teacher. Okay, if you unsubmit, if you want to do some more changes in the document, just click unsubmit and redo it, the work. Okay, if you want to communicate, if you want to send any private messages to your class teacher, you can type it here. For example, ma'am, I have complete my assignment. Just send. If you send any messages here, none of your classmates can see your message. Only class teacher can see your message. Even she can reply. That reply also you can only see, not others. That's it. Likewise, you can submit your assignment in Google Classroom. I think everyone understand this procedure. Try it. If you have any doubt, just call me. Thank you, girls. Thank you.